Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with a plan with me for the week of August 18th through the 24th in my classic vertical happy planner. Before we get started, just a few reminders. If you enjoyed the video, as always, please do not hesitate to give me the thumbs up. Also, feel free to comment below and let me know, what do you think about buffalo plaid? I'm here for buffalo plaid in any color, shape, form, fashion. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would love for you to join me and the other members of Team Bella. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about the notification bell. So I can tell you guys today that I'm all about Buffalo Soldier, dreadlock Rasta. Y'all, please tell me to get over this buffalo plaid because I just can't. Like, I love it. I'm totally obsessed with buffalo plaid. So I have pulled some Simply Gilded washi tape, which I typically do not use washi tape in my happy planner, not very much. Here are the stickers I have chosen. And so all of the teal and orange stickers have come from Live Love Posh, the autumn sticker book. And then the black boxes are from Mojo Jojo Plans. And then these lovely quotes here are from the Teresa Collins Be Happy Box sticker book. This one, Although I Walk with Grace, I Have a Mighty Roar, is from Wild Style. Okay, so let's jump in. And I have been a little MIA this week. Guys, I can tell you, like, yeah, girl, she is on a struggle bus. Like, I'm just trying to balance everything that's going on with my health. I'm trying to balance everything that's going on at work. And y'all, my anxiety is at an all-time high, okay? It is at an all-time high. And some days I'm like, I simply cannot. And it feels that way, you know, when I think about it. So this is a new precision cutter from Print Impressions. And so I'm going to see how I like it. Does it cut my page? Can I trim my stickers? So we'll see. I just received this in the mail. Ooh, y'all. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see how that worked, because I can tell you that it felt crooked. But anyway, yeah, so it's just like I'm struggling here, you know, because the uncertainty of, and I don't know if I mentioned it before. I feel like I mentioned it, where, you know, I have to reapply for my position, or it's not my position. My position is going away. Goodbye, Regional Talent Acquisition Manager, because you have to apply for something else. And so that's kind of where I am. And as a result, you know, I'm just a little stressed. I'm a little on edge, and it's just impacting other areas of my life, right? I actually had to interview for my new role. So fingers crossed that I get it. But it's totally been a lot, and it's been hard, and my health has been suffering as a result of it. So, you know, and it's hard to be positive when your livelihood is in question, you know? So I'm just here for being positive. I'm trying to be here for my team members, the people that report to me that are having to reapply for their positions. So y'all, I'm just all over the place. So if you guys will excuse me for my absence this week, like I wasn't here. I just wasn't here for it. I wasn't feeling it. None of that. And I want this to just be torn, but if it can't, I'm not mad. I ain't hating. So let's see how that looks. Pretty good. And I'm pretty sure that this looks good. Y'all, I don't know why I feel like buffalo plaid will just look so good with this, but that's what I'm doing. Y'all, look at these scissors. Oh, they're not cute. Yeah, I got them from Amazon, and they're all that and a bag of chips. Love them. All right, so let's just cut off that little piece that was right there. Okay, so we are going to move forward. So this week I am traveling with work. And for any of Team Bella that's in the Baltimore area, I'm going to be in Baltimore this week. Super, super excited for work. So if anybody wants to meet up, let's have dinner. Tell me where I can get a good crab cake. FYI, I do not eat blue shell crab, soft shell crab, or blue crab. I'm just not here for that. Okay, that looks good. Y'all, that's cute, right? Okay. So this next sticker that I'm pulling off with this orange and this blue, I feel like it can kind of go in the middle of the page. So I leave for Baltimore on Monday morning. No, lying. I leave on Tuesday. All right, so first of all, I want to make sure that this box more than anything is straight. So I'm going to move this a little bit up. Okay. I really kind of wanted to put a whiteout pen there, but I'm okay. And then I'm going to put this here. Y'all, these colors, now these black boxes are definitely from Mojo Jojo Plans, but the other boxes are from the Happy Planner, and they're cute. Now, this sticker says, I am brave, fearless, bold, and strong. Yeah, that's me. That's me. That's what's up. That's me. Okay. But I don't want to cover that up, but I don't want to move this over. Okay, so let me try to figure that part out. As I'm doing this, I'm going to place this down on the bottom. It was very important for me to incorporate all the colors of the spread, which is nothing new. Y'all know I'm all about incorporating some colors. Okay, let's do that. I feel like I'm going to move this over just a little bit, or at least this one. Move it a little so that I can get my sticker there without covering that all up. Yep. So how has your week been? Tell me what's going on. What's really good out here, you know? I'm all obsessed with this buffalo plaid and can't get my life together because of it. And so I want to know what's going on with you guys. Anything interesting happened this week? What's going on with your life? Tell me. Y'all, buffalo plaid is just doing it for me. I can't. I can't. Y'all, I done dropped my whole life tweezers on the floor, clippers. My tweezers on the floor. Okay, let's try to pull this up without ripping the sticker. Let's see. Is it gonna rip? Is it gonna rip? Is it gonna rip? It is not ripping. Beautiful. Okay, so I do want to put this I am brave, fearless, bold, and strong right here because I'm going to be traveling, so I'm not going to have a lot of cause for planning, really. So I'm just going to put this here. Should I put this here? Does that look funny? Yeah, I'm going to take that off. Perfect. We could just kind of put this right here. Let's go ahead and grab a white, Uniball signal. Cover that up right there. And let's lay this on top of that. I think that'll be cute. And then I have an orange one that I can lay on top of that one. Okay. And we are not done with putting these pops of buffalo plaid in. We're not. Absolutely not. We're just gonna cover that up. Ooh, cute. Uh-oh. I'm gonna trim this up just a little bit straighter. Yeah. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut it with this little precision cutter because I do not want... Okay, y'all, come on. My hand isn't steady. I don't know what's going on with myself. All right, let's just pull this up. Yeah, perfect. I'm good. I'm here for that. All right, so we got the buffalo plaid there. Let's get this thicker buffalo plaid and put it there. Y'all, oh, so excited. I need y'all to know that buffalo plaid is where it's at. And if you haven't embraced it, I'm gonna need y'all to come walk on the wild side with me and just get down with the buffalo plaid. So I think I'm gonna put this here. Y'all, look at that. Like, tell me that this is not what this spread needed. Like, the buffalo plaid is everything. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here, and I know I'm gonna have to white this part out. Ooh, juicy. We're gonna do this. And then I feel like I'm gonna have to come here and do this part too. And I'm gonna put my quote there. So I do fly back in on Thursday morning. So we're gonna just put that there. We're good. So this says, although I walk with grace, and y'all, I think I may do a quick video and show y'all my little outfits that I've pulled together. And you know what? Traveling again, it's a thing, because at the end of the day, like loungewear and athleisure wear, that's my, you know, those are my outfits of choice. But, you know, I had to put some clothes on to take this little trip. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm working with for my outfits. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I would love your feedback. Okay, so although I walk with grace, I have a mighty roar. That's cute, or whatever. And so here I go. And y'all know I am a firm believer in mirroring my spread. So if I have it on one page, oh, I tore this, but I'm gonna try to put this down right where the other one, where this little sticker came. And this is another black box by Mojo Jojo Plans. So I'm going to try to line these up so that we do a little sticker surgery and fix this. Oh my God, it's so, I can't believe I did that. Okay, it's still not working for me. Okay, and it's crooked. So I'm not worried about it, because what I decided to do was to bring this here. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a black marker, and it is a Paper Mate Flare, and I'm going to fill this box back in. Okay. All right, so that little part didn't fill in, but it's okay, because I do have an oil-based gel pen, and I feel like I can cover over this. See? We're good. All right, so let me grab this other floral, and I do want to cover all of this. Okay, y'all know Uniball signals are very sensitive sometimes. And because the backdrop that I'm using is not hard, it's giving me a moment. It's having a moment, but I think it'll be okay. Okay. So I see I need to go all the way up here with this. Okay. Perfect. And see how we're mirroring these various areas, and I'm all here for that. Now over here, I thought it would be cute to put a corner piece over here. So let's try to lay this corner piece down in the corner. And then I already have the black box layered there. I have one layered here that I'm layering here. On Friday, I have an appointment, so I have another appointment sticker, and I think it would be appropriate to put it here and here. And this sticker I love, it says plan your best life. And I don't mind that it's kind of covering that sticker. It's pretty. All right. And then we're going to grab this and we're going to put this down here, like here. Okay. Now, the only thing that's missing from this opposite side here are our pops of buffalo plaid. So we're going to put some buffalo plaid down. Y'all, I don't know how I've dropped my buffalo plaid washi tape, but I have. Okay, so we're going to go up top there and put some here. Okay, don't want anything super straight or anything like that. I think that's good. All right, so the places I see that I need some washi tape is right down here. And then I feel like I want a bigger one up there, but not necessarily. We can take this smaller one and hit it, and then a big one above there. For some reason, I can't find my bigger washi tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the smaller one down. It has fallen like into some crevice that I really can't find. I'm so disappointed, but it's all right. We shall overcome. Yeah, so I'm okay with that. And I'm okay with that. So guys, this is my plan with me, and I am absolutely in love. That buffalo plaid just, to me, took it over the top. It says fall, 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 fall. I feel like I want to put another little piece up there on the top of that little black box. I think it's gonna take it from good to great. Y'all, I'm done. I'm in love. So if you enjoyed the plan with me, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, Bella.